Alright guys, we're gonna play Cats, Hats and More Bats. I have been chasing that grand for about 2 weeks. It was 23,000 and now it's up to 28,000. I'm gonna try $1,000 on this machine. We're gonna do max bet, $20 a spin. And let's get it over with. That's a good start. That grand is the highest I've ever seen on low limit area. $28,000 and a half. Also, it's probably appropriate time, look at that full line of owls, to hit a full screen of bats, of splatting bats. We never had that. We're hitting some decent line hits here. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I think we're gonna get it today. Money back. Well, we need 3 gargoyles in the middle, if you know how that works, to get the bonus. Or 3 of these bats on the same row. And this is our wild card. It could start on reel number 1, which most games don't do that. So that's a plus. Not sure which one is the highest symbol. We've got the pumpkins all across. Look at that. How much is that? That's 120 back. That's nice. I've never seen 5 bats on the same row. That will give you free tries to keep getting extra spins. I'm guessing it's almost impossible to get. Alright. Doing $20 bet, that's the maximum on this machine. Major is 1100, so it's not that big. The reset's at 1000. We got it, guys. Oh my god, these are good numbers. This is $400, this is $200. So we're starting with 640. Beautiful. All right, let's get our first ever full screen. Come on, save us. Wow, not a single one. That's impressive. Not a single bet. 660. All right, we can't complain. That's impressive though. I mean, at least one bet make me feel like I'm alive. All right, I think it's gonna give us the gargoyle in the middle, the bonus. It teased us with it a couple times.
jacks all across. Nice. Maybe the owl is the nicest symbol. It's been paying nice. Come on, gargoyles. We know you want it. The largest bet number I've seen on this game was $2,000, which is amazing. I mean, 100 times your bet as a ball, that's nice. Or a bat, let's call it. Getting close, come on. I'm not sure which machine is that, but there's a lot of noise coming from the back. Should we try $10? Let's do it. Back to 20. Half the way through our money. Come on, give us a bonus. Yes, we got it. We got it. 180 and 100. So we start with 280. Right in the middle, so we've got more chances to catch the bat splat. Let's fill up the screen. Oh man, what's happening? Ooh, finally. Of course, ideally we want one bat at a time to get more money. All right, save us. All right. We got saved. One bet at a time. Let's do it. Yes. Keep us in it. Keep us in it. All right, it's done with us. That's a decent one, 680. Look at that, we're back where we started, $1,000. Actually, a little bit up. Oh, that's a big number. That's the $2,000, guys. Let's do a couple $6 bets, just in case the grand is hiding there. Double money back. Let's do quick spins. Couple $10 quick spins. Maybe a few more, just in case. All right, back to our max bet. Almost money back. Major. Again, last week, almost got it. It teased us with a grand 2 or 3 times, where it was grand and it had another bat with it on the same level. The grand was at 24 maybe, or 25,000, but I guess everybody's been playing the game. It's up to 28,000. That's $1,000 bat. Are we gonna get something? We are struggling here. We need a decent bonus right now.
Alright, we finally got the gargoyle. Finally got it. Took us, what, 800? Alright, in the last 2 weeks I've been using 6 free games and it's always been paying me a little bit, but this time I'm gonna stick with the bat splat. Hopefully we're gonna get the grand in the middle. Let's do it. Alright, they're all $40 bets, nothing major. That's a good start, right in the middle. One at a time, please. Keep it coming. When I asked it, it gave me 3 at a time. There you go. All right, it's done with us. All right. Not bad, not bad.
Back where we started, 1,000. Don't think I've had a back-to-back on this game yet. It's a little bit difficult to get the bonus, honestly. Let's try $10, 2 Sandino max bet. Let's do a few here. You know, flip every stone on this machine. Do it. Quick spins. All right, back to max bet. Got it again, guys. Got it again. We're gonna do bad splat again. Come on, first reel, yes. Third one. I wonder if we can get 4 or more on this one, because that's where your chances of filling up the screen. It's a nice start to a bonus. We need one more here so we can feel safe. All right, now we can just land almost everywhere. Save it. All right. That's pretty. $1,000, guys. That's amazing. Major again. Do it. Minor is $200. The minor is could have been better, but it's 4 Sandino. Oh my God, that's $1,000, guys. Do it. Teaser. Let's do some $10 bets. Quick spins. Max bet. Quick spins. Grand again, guys, right in the middle. Is that a sign? It showed it twice today. Alright, we're down 1,200 from the top. The grand just passed again. Give us the gargoyles. Let's do it. Bonus. That was close. 5 more spins. Give us the bonus. Oh my God, guys! Oh my God! $5,000, $2,000, and $1,000. This would have been a ginormous hand pay. Do 3 spins of $10, and we'll call it quits. Thank you guys for watching. We tried, and we'll come back when we hit it. Thank you again. I hope you're having a good day.